Hey guys, Xfer Serum here, back with another video. In this video, we're remaking the bass of Holy Goof's remix from God's Plan. The final sound will sound like this. So if you want the preset right away, make sure to check bass out for free. The preset is coming from that pack. So if you want that preset, and besides that, for the 5 other presets in the style of bass house and confession, make sure to check the link down below. So let's dive into the preset. It sounds like this. Stack in the preset. Lower down 2 octaves. Stack the basic shapes. And go for the square wave. Then shape edit for 1 like this. Stack the trigger. And route to the level. So what we're then gonna do is name us to the B, lower down the level, and stack F from B. Put up 3 octaves. And stack this wavetable. Like this. And then write F1 to the FM. So what we're then gonna do is make it better. So it's like a high 18. Cut off around here. And write FO2 to it. Put the drive all the way up to here. And then write FO1 to it. So this already sounds better. So now put a resonance. Write FO1 to it again. And put a fatness. So now we have the foundational sounds. So now let's take the effects. First of all, hyper dimension, no hyper, and a bit of dimension. Then another trick, enable the reverb, down the decay, and size. Put it in the mix to here. And then add the OTT compressor after the reverb. This will give them more metallic sound. Sounds like this. Then we're going to distort the sound. Select the diode tool. Drive around here. Mix around here. And write F1 to the mix. Just like this. Then we're going to EQ the sound. So it's like the low cut. And then we're going to highest bit and write F1 to it. This gives you some more control on the highs. And let's finish it off some more delay. So add the ping pong like this. And there you have it. There's your Holy Goof style bass line. So if you like the video, please give a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you want the preset, make sure to check Bass House for free.